there is another toy, not toy, it's a rainbow tactile mobile, and it's very good for Montessori activities, and this is one of the favorite toys of Azan. He loved this tactile thing and he loved this tangled thing. उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये, and he love playing it. वो हर वक्त इनको खींचता रहता है. And let's move to the other one. Okay, so this is Zanu's Cami, and this is one of his favorite toys again. He loved it so much and he loved playing with it, and he just loved it. So here are some blocks. There are so many blocks, but I just like to put few here. They are so nice. They are so amazing. I loved it. I love them so much, and I'm sure Azan is loving them too, because अभी उसने recently इनके साथ खेलना start किया, because ये बड़े हैं तो ये उसके हाथ में नहीं आते, but they are so amazing that they have different shapes with different numbers and with different textures, with different things, like okay, so with different animals as well. सबसे best चीज़ इसकी ये है कि इसके अंदर different textures हैं. अजान को जो मैंने पकड़ा है तो he loved playing with the texture. इसको इसका टेक्सचर बहुत अच्छा लगा था. सो इट्स अगेन अनदर an explory kind of a thing, and he loved it so much. And what other thing we have? Okay, this is so cutest thing. This is मेरे पेन का पॉम ये मेरे पेन पे लगा हुआ था, बट अजान लव इट सो मच एंड ही लव डूइंग दिस. बस उसके हाथ में आप पकड़ा दें, फिर देखें आप, ही लव डूइंग दिस. ओके, सो जी, सो वी हैव अनदर टॉय. ये बास्केट काइंड ऑफ बास्केट टाइप है, बॉक्स है full of rattles, and Azan loved to play with his head, and sometimes with this box itself he do it like this, and then he like do whatever he wants to, and he loves playing with the rattles. I personally don't like these rattles. I personally don't like these chun rattles, these kind of rattles, because they are just nothing more than making noise, and they are so hard. Azan do this like he starts do like hitting himself, and that's not good for him. I don't give him these toys because he hit him so hard with them. But what I do is that I take any two characters from it, and then I start making a story at the moment. Like उसी टाइम मैं स्टोरीज बनाना शुरू कर देती हूँ. Like suppose मैंने एक ये ले ली, शीप ले लिया, साथ मैंने कोई और कैरेक्टर्स, we have some fishes. Wait a second जी, तो लाइक हमने एक शीप ले ली, साथ हमने फिश ले ली, एंड देन हमने शीप ले ली, साथ हमने फिश ले ली. देन आई स्टार्ट टेलिंग हिम अ स्टोरी. डिफरेंट स्टोरीज मैं बना लेती हूँ उसी टाइम. लाइक blue fish is swimming, she is searching for some food. Oh, I can't find any food. Maybe in other food I can find some food. Let's go there. And then blue fish is going to find her food. Like this. मैं दो कैरेक्टर्स कोई से भी ले लेती हूँ और मैं उसको डिफरेंट स्टोरीज में बनाना शुरू कर देती हूँ, एंड ही लव इट. लाइक सपोज इफ फिश इज स्पीकिंग, आई स्टार्ट moving her like this. So he loved the movement. He is so focused on everything, and he loved this play. एंड मुझे और इनका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं समझ में आता, तो आई थॉट कि इस तरह की गेम्स जो है हेल्प कर सकती हैं उसको खेलने में. दूसरा, इसके अंदर मैं जो जिस कलर की चीज़ होती है मैं उस कलर का उसका नाम रख देती हूँ. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स ब्लू फिश, तो ये ब्लू कलर है इसका, तो मैं इसको ब्लू फिश कहती हूँ. सो अगर वो सुनता रहेगा ये तो उसके दिमाग में चीज़ फिक्स होती रहेगी. दैट्स ऑल्सो हेल्प हिम लर्निंग. उसके बाद जब मैं उसको स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी दैट विल हेल्प हिम develop communication skills, language skills, as 6 months is the age for developing communication skills, social skills, language skills. Although हम लोग सोशली तो इतना बच्चों को इंटरेक्ट नहीं करा सकते, बट वी हैव टू गिव ओवर 100% ताकि उनके अंदर कम से कम कमियां हों. मतलब obviously social interaction is something very necessary, but alas we can't do anything. Teddy, Zanu loved Teddy so much. He loved eating his nose. तो आपको ये इन टॉयज़ को लाजमी धोना है, लाइक वीक में एक टाइम लाजमी इनको वॉश करना है अच्छे से. इनको डिप करके रख दें एक with a bit of detergent and let them wash. और इसकी नोज़ीज़ अज़ान को बहुत अच्छी लगती है. He love his hair. He all the time do like this. Is our sensory boat. Sensory boat is one of Azan's favorite toys because he loved playing with it. He loved different textures in it. He loved doing this. He loved touching everything. In fact, he loved I have seen him playing. He loved touching this and he loved touching this. He loved watching himself in the mirror. That's his favorite thing. Plus he loves this sponge so much, and then that thready texture. His favorite, one of his favorite toys, and this is his so favorite, this chain. Like this. So what else? He loved watching himself in mirror. He loved playing with it, and they are so good for gripping, for grabbing things, for like if they are moving like this. So it's so good for the focus as well and for grabbing moving things. So this is one of the best purchase ever, and Azan love it so much.